Smardaten form design module provides flexible, efficient, and rich choices of data filling and management methods. Forms can be built with more than 60 dragging and dropping widgets, which can help the developers to improve work efficiency and quality. Through authorization configuration of the form design, managers can ensure refined filtering of collected data. By associating form configuration with data assets, data can be exchanged, freely flow across functionalities, and be dynamically displayed with improved data accuracy and validity. The module provides comprehensive and detailed logic control capabilities covering all kinds of logic control scenarios such as widget content changes, form saving and uploading, and many others. Therefore, it can competently meet the logic design requirement of complex enterprise environment scenarios. The module provides 9 categories of view design including tables, lists, calendars, timelines, catalogs, news, cards, dashboards, and canvas, in order for designed forms to adapt to various use case requirements. BPM module provides a full set of business approval processes, roles, and authorization settings. Also provides wizard-based operation models, allowing detailed process for each approval item to be flexibly constructed according to real case requirements. The various role-based users can access flexible business approval management process to release approved items fast. It truly materializes the automation and a fully closed loop of integrated business workflow, data flow, and approval process flow. No-code application assembly provides the ability to build new digital applications with drag-and-drop ways. Through visual page configuration, enterprise application can be quickly constructed by reusing existing analysis and processing results of filling forms, lists, details, data approval, data analyzer, data ETL, data large screen dashboards, data documents, and so on. It can also support customized CSS settings, user permission settings, and self-defined layout. Finally, realize data synchronization and correlation between modules to ensure smooth application and closed-loop process.